Hi everyone, it's Ann here from Annmakes. Welcome to my studio. Happy New Year everyone. Looking forward to 2019, and as usual, the new year is starting off very busy. If you are new here and you don't want to miss any of the upcoming Mixed Media Monday videos, art hacks, how to make your own DIY art supplies, etc., and haul videos that I do, then you may want to subscribe, and you can do so by clicking on the Annmakes in the corner of your screen, or on below in the description there and the little subscribe button, and then you'll be all set and you won't miss anything. So what do I have planned for 2019? A lot. Like I mentioned briefly, I do want to do more mixed media videos, how to make your own products, how to use products. There's going to be a lot of product demos, product reviews, all pertaining to arts and crafts. And of course, more haul videos, because that's what you guys seem to love. Do love seeing what I haul and how I use the stuff that I buy, whether it is traditional art and crafting tools and supplies or other things. Now, the other thing I have going on in January is Creativation. That's right, Creativation. By the way, this is the show directory from 2017. This is not the current one. It's not available yet. I will get that once I'm at the show in Phoenix, Arizona. And that is in 14 days. Creativation runs from January 17 to the 21st. It is a combination of education and trade show for the creative industry. To attend Creativation, you have to be a member of AFCI, which is a global organization. It is the Association for Creative Industries. There are many categories of membership that you can join. There are buyers, there are sellers, there are manufacturers or retailers, there are teachers, there are designers as myself, influencers as yours truly, digital content creators also as myself. So there are several of us who fall into many of the categories, but you just need to join. You only need to join as a member of one category, and you are in. And that is one of the benefits of being a AFCI member, is being able to attend Creativation. Of course, the main purpose of Creativation is a trade show. It is where manufacturers, suppliers, sellers want to sell their products to buyers. Their buyers are going there to see what is new, what's coming out in 2019 by their favorite companies, all the companies that are existing, and all what's new, what new companies are out there. There's always something new every year. And it is an international show, so there are vendors and exhibitors from all over the world attending this show. So it's a great opportunity to see what is going on. Now, there will be 2 days at the beginning of the event that will be focused on classes and workshops. Those are also the days where the exhibitors have the time to set up their booths, and it is a lot of work to set up a big trade show like this. And then the trade show itself will start on the Saturday and run on Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. And Monday is the closing day. So I will be there for the education part of it and the trade show part of it. Of course, I am attending as a designer member because that is my category. I am designer. I joined AFCI several years ago as a designer member because I fit the criteria for that, and that means I create, I design, I publish projects, tutorials, patterns having to do it with projects in the arts and crafts industry. So I am also going there as a VIP creator because I am an influencer, and that is what I'm doing here right now, is I'm talking to you about the show and talking to you about the association, about the benefits of joining it, about the benefits of attending the show. And so that's my influencing part of it. And I am also a digital content creator where I create posts and videos for my own channels, my own website, but also I do create and publish articles. I create posts for manufacturers, retailers, publishers, and also I do create videos for project tutorials, demos for manufacturers and retailers. So that's what I do. So why attend Creativation if you are a maker or a manufacturer in the craft industry, arts and crafts industry? Well, it's because it's the opportunity for you to meet with a ton of people in a short amount of time from all over the world. You have the opportunity to show off how great your company is, how great your product is, how great your talents are. If you are a professional, it is a great time for the makers, the designers, the creators to learn as much as they can about what's going on in the industry, so they can take that information back to their studios, their offices, and create content and create projects for all of you. Now, unfortunately, not everybody can attend Creativation, and that is where someone like myself comes in and is here to say to you, don't worry, I just want to know, what do you want to know from about Creativation 2019? What would you like to see? Tell me which companies, booths, products, tools, supplies you're interested in seeing, and I will do my very best to get as much information about those things as I can. I may not be able to fulfill everybody's wish, depending how many requests I get, but I will certainly do my best. I do hope to at least pop into every single booth at the show. That, of course, will depend on how much time I spend in each place. And yeah, so let me know what you'd like to see at Creativation, and I will do my best to get that information back to you. And that information, of course, will have to come back to you following the show. I will do my best to try to film something live while I am at the show, but sometimes I can be very challenging. For one thing, the Wi-Fi connection is not always available all over the trade show floor. Plus, there's a lot of people, there's a lot going on. It's very noisy, and there's a lot of people filming with having the same idea. There's a lot of people going live all at the same time. It's crazy. So I will do my best for that. I will try to get as much information as I can before the show, and you'll just have to wait and see of what I'm able to find out. And a few tips I wanted to share with my fellow attendees who are attending Creativation. If this is your first time, especially if it's your first time, I just want to let you know that it's okay. You know, it's okay to go to the show for your first time, and if you're alone, that's okay too. I once did that. I was once a newbie by myself. I didn't know anybody. I didn't know a soul there, and I went anyway. And don't be shy to introduce yourself, pass out your business card, and exchange business cards with people, make exchanges, verbal exchanges with people. Go have a cup of coffee with someone If you have an opportunity to go eat somewhere with somebody else, take that opportunity. You never know what could happen from that. You could form a long-term business relationship, even develop a great friendship with a lot of these people, as I have. So a lot of opportunities are available to you, and so you should take advantage of that. Of course, your first time there, I'm going to tell you to learn as much as you can. Take classes, workshops, seminars. If you're concerned about any of the things that you have to pay for in terms of classes and workshops, you do get a lot for your bang. You get a big bang for your buck at these shows. All the classes are taught by professionals, and there's just so much to learn. I will be there to take a lot of the business classes because that really helps me in my business to be better at what I do, better at the content I create, better understanding the newest technologies, the changes in social media. Keeps me up to date. Also, it's a great opportunity for me to be with like-minded people and to talk shop, of course. And I will also be at the designer booth. There will be a designer booth this year on the show floor, so I will be there as an ambassador. So please come and say hi if you see me. And what else can I say to you? Wear comfortable shoes, so important. Think business casual. You know, of course you want to look presentable. It's, you know, you're there on business, but you need to be comfortable. That's really important. Leave the high heels at home. Trust me. There's a lot of walking to do, and it's a thin carpet that's laid out over the cement floor. So concrete, poured concrete floor. So yeah, it's a little hard on the feet and legs by the end of the day. And bring notebook, notepad, some way to keep notes. There's so much going on. There's so much information. You're going to be meeting so many people. You're going to have so many opportunities for interaction, learning, that it's going to be really difficult to retain all that information in your head. So if you have a place to jot it down, note it down on your, you know, either digitally or with a pen and paper, keep that in mind. Bring your business cards, very important. And don't forget to take it easy once in a while and enjoy yourself. So I hope this is helpful for the fellow attendees, and I hope for my viewers who are not able to attend the show that I will be able to bring back a little bit or a lot of what goes on at Creativation and what you have to look forward to in 2019 that will be popping up in your stores and that will be available in the market for your creative needs. So thank you so very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you are new here. Please give this a like, a thumbs up. Please comment, let me know what you want to see at Creativation. And thanks again for stopping by. Happy New Year again, and don't forget to come and check back on all the videos I have planned for 2019. Take care, stay crafty. Bye.